Hey, it's Paul, and here on the Friendly Reviewer, we recap after each month how things went, as well as share some behind the scenes information. Make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along with us on this journey. This is month 10. Unfortunately, I was traveling during most of the month and wasn't able to post as much content as I'd like. Fortunately, I did get to see some pretty cool sights while I was out and about. As far as the stats are concerned, watch time decreased slightly to around 133,000 minutes for a major milestone total of just over 1 million minutes of watch time. That is 2 years of watch time. Hard to fathom. Views slightly decreased as well to around 59,000 for a total of 450,000 views for the year. Hopefully soon we'll hit that 500,000 view milestone. Additional subscribers leveled off at 260 for a total of 2,300, and revenue continued to increase slightly to $116 for the month for a total of $700 for the year. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how things are going on this channel, especially since I haven't been able to post much content since I've been traveling. I'm really interested to see how these next few months play out and the year finishes up. As always, thank you for all the comments. Those are much appreciated, and just keep them coming. I appreciate the feedback, and I'll try to respond to you when I can if there's a question. This has been Paul with month 10. Thank you for watching.